Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca and this is Laura. So Steph from the Secret Bridesmaid, who we met recently at a wedding show, has very kindly sent us a box of candles. Now she offers these as part of a range of many things this woman does. Like, I've never met anyone who does so many things. But she does them, and they can be done as like favours, as thank yous, as little gifts for like your bridesmaids or your groomsmen. So they're really adaptable, and she sent us a box of them to like test the scents, give viewers like insight into what we think to them, and she's given us a whole range of different designs too, so you can get a bit of an insight as to what is possible, what she can do for you. Do stick around to the end because we have some exciting news coming up, and we also have a discount code currently with the Secret Bridesmaid as well, so do wait for that, and it'll be in the comments below, well, in the description box below as well. Yep. So what we're going to do, do you want to tell them how we're going to do this?
So we thought, rather than just kind of showing you the candles, we set ourselves a bit of a challenge. Now this could go horribly wrong.
Yeah. And I'm going to preface, no, you go on, you say it.
She's getting her excuses ready.
Yeah, I am.
So we've got 7 candles, and we're going to see if we can guess what the scents are. We haven't looked at what the, I was going to say flavours, the scents are. Yeah, and just see if we can identify it, test the skill. Yeah, and see what we think of them at the same time.
Yeah. Now,
but go on.
I am going to preface this by saying I have a cold and therefore an impaired sense of smell. I do have some smell back, so thank goodness in time for this video, because that could have been extra interesting. But yeah, if I lose, that's totally why.
Yeah, and I'm just not very good at recognising scents, so let's see.
Right, so she designed 3 for each of us, like personalised to each of us, so we're going to guess
the opposite ones, and then we've got a Bride Society branded.
So we'll do that. That can be like, if it comes down to it, if it's a split thing, if it's a tiebreaker. So we'll do that one.
Okay, right.
You go first.
So first one.
So what design have we got?
We've got a nice wreath design. So let's see this first one.
This is going to be really hard. Perfumey is not going to be helpful, is it? Because like,
do you like
all
it,
scents are perfumey. I do like it. Just over inhale. I don't know what that reminds me of. Do you know already?
I don't. I know. I haven't looked actually what this one is. Shall I have a look?
Yeah, have a look.
Okay.
You can give me a clue.
Your favourite flower.
What's my favourite? Can you give me a clue what my favourite flower is?
Or a flower that you had at your wedding.
Peonies. Okay. Yeah, peonies to me don't have like themselves don't have a strong scent, so I think that's quite hard to identify. But like, yeah. But
is it floral?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really pretty.
It is pretty. It's nice.
Yeah. So this is peony and blush suede. The scent.
I would never have got to blush suede.
No,
I'm not sure what that would smell. But it sounds good. Blush suede sounds good.
That's a really quite a feminine floral scent, would you agree? Yeah. But quite sophisticated at the same time.
Yeah, it's not overbearing or anything.
No.
So she's done it as a nice like thank you, so I guess as favours, or maybe a few bridesmaids for these ones. But it's very pretty. And they're all like personalised with your own like details and stuff.
Yeah, so I guess you can ask to have whatever wording, whatever information.
Yeah, because all different combos of like initials, full names.
Yeah.
Locations, all these kind of things on here. So.
Oh, that's quite strong.
I know, I just got that. I was like, better than like the Alba soil I've been sniffing all week.
Now I think I already know what this is, because this was similar to my wedding perfume, I think. Is it pear? In which case it's pear and freesia then. Yes.
Yeah, English.
Yes. That was easy for me.
English pear and freesia. Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, well, that's why I chose it for my wedding perfume, and that would be a really nice way to incorporate that scent if you've chosen that.
Yeah, if you've got your own perfume. Yeah, because I think with any perfume, I think she can incorporate that into that. Sorry, Steph, if I've misspoken. Now you've just got to do a whole other separate line of products. But yeah, I prefer that to the other one. Personally, they're both nice.
Yeah,
but
I do because I chose it.
Yeah. All right, I think that's one to you personally and none to me.
Okay, I think this might be a tricky one for you as well. So this one, just gone for initials. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's nice. It's a very different smell. It's not as floral.
Yeah, that's right.
Good. Getting warmer. Is it like? I need to like breathe after this. Sniff, sniff. It is really nice, but it's very different. Is it? Now I know she does like a tobacco one. No, it's not that one. Oh, what does that remind me of? I'm gonna need a clue.
So it's a drink and a vegetable.
A drink and a vegetable. Is it like one thing?
No, so it's two different things.
Okay.
One drink, and then possibly it's technically a fruit, but I would class it as a vegetable.
Oh my god. I don't know.
Should I put you out?
I'm feeling pressure.
This is a really hard one. I wouldn't have recognised this. It's Earl Grey and cucumber.
Oh. Now you see, my husband drinks Earl Grey tea all the time, but... And the funny thing is, with Earl Grey, I should get this because my husband always so we always drink tea in our house. And I drink English breakfast, he drinks Earl Grey, he makes them, and then he can't remember which way around they are. So he constantly has to bring them to me to like sniff to identify which one's the Earl Grey. So I should know this. I like do it on a daily basis.
It's the cucumber that's throwing you off.
It is. I can kind of get that kind of the freshness on top of the fragrance. Yeah. I do like that. But I wasn't going to get there. You might be like, well, this video's run a long time. It's just me going for like another half an hour. Alright. Okay, so this one's quite cool. So it's got our names on it and let the adventure begin with like a picture, which is quite cool because my husband's Canadian and I feel like this is quite a sort of Canadian-y backdrop. I don't think she knows that. Just clever. Right, I was about to snip at myself. Okay.
Oh, that's
okay. Sorry, clawed you at the same time.
Is that floral again?
No.
No.
Oh, sorry, I've got a short memory, hang on. Okay, yeah.
Again, it's a really nice fragrance. I have no idea what that is. Am I going to kick myself?
No, I don't think you will. No, it's a hard one. No. Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah, go on, I give up.
Yeah, wood sage and sea salt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that would be hard to get there.
Yeah, let me try
These
that
are
again.
natural soy candles, by the way, just FYI.
Yeah.
I like it. It's maybe a more masculine
Possibly.
end. I mean, I'd still be happy with it.
Yeah.
I will still burn that around the house, but...
Yes. Okay.
But,
yeah, I would never have got those. So this is a little thank you one again. I wonder... I haven't smelt this, but you might.
I stand a chance on. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you should smell
Oh yeah, I was going to say I haven't smelt it yet.
Knowing what it is it, could you get there knowing?
Because I know what it is, I feel like...
You can pick it out.
Yes. Maybe.
There is something familiar. Oh, but I'm not going to get there, am I?
Fruity.
Yeah, I'm getting fruity, like maybe some kind of berry.
Yes. What kind of berry?
Man, wasn't that enough?
No, I'm impressed you've got that. A seasonal...
Yeah, it's more Christmassy.
So what's an autumnal berry?
Like a black?
Yeah.
Maybe like half a point.
Yeah, because there is another scent in there as well.
Sage?
No.
I was going to go rosemary or sage.
Bay.
Bay. Oh, I would
Bay.
never have gotten bay.
Again, it's a
I don't know what bay smells like. I'm sure I've got some bay leaves in my cupboard somewhere. I'm going like...
Again, it's a very different scent to all the rest of them.
It's more Christmassy, isn't it? We happen to be filming this near Christmas, so that works for me. Yeah, that could be a masculine or kind of feminine smell too.
Definitely.
Alright, so I have like collectively half a point. maybe 1 point and a push because you gave it clues.
I've got one, but
you have one full valid point.
Advantage.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, this one is again another design on the front, just mirrored names, and very pretty. Oh, and the packaging was really lovely. Like it came and it was all very nice. Okay, so I think they'll all be soy candles too, so they'll be vegan, which is good if that's important to you. I don't want to smoke this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Good luck.
Oh, okay.
The thing is with scents, I feel like with perfumes, with like all those kind of things, I feel like the names are always so kind of abstract, you know, and so they always sound really like fancy and stuff, and they are fancy, but
this is very, I didn't look, feels very masculine. Would you agree? And quite musky.
Let me smell it through my half sense of smell. Yeah, it is, yeah, definitely. But I have no idea, I wouldn't say the thing it is has a smell, so I don't know
so this isn't
how you would get there. No. So yeah, sorry. The tobacco one I mentioned before, like, we smelled when we actually met her at a wedding fair, which actually smelled amazing. And not like you were stood next to someone who was smoking, like, just to clarify in case you decide to go for that.
Oh, I'm going to need a clue.
Okay.
Other than...
It's a fruit.
Oh.
And a colour. The colour is in French, if that helps. So you also now have to know another language to get this right.
A fruit, okay.
Which has seeds that you would eat.
Is it pomegranate?
Yeah.
Not only because I know the names of certain perfumes. Is it noir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's an advantage. She knows the perfume range that these are from. I'm completely ignorant.
It didn't help me that much, though, did it, really?
It's more my excellent clue going, was it? Yeah.
See, I wouldn't call that overly fruity.
No. But like,
now,
do you think pomegranate has a smell? Like pomegranate seeds?
Oh, I don't know.
And is this me being dumb? Is pomegranate noir a thing, or they're just like making it sound fancy by putting the word black on the end? Okay. My limited knowledge there. Comment below if you do know.
Please be kind to us.
So, terrible showing. It's not really coming down to the tiebreaker, but
no.
Let's get in there.
See, now I know that that's pomegranate. I feel like maybe I'm kind of eking out a bit more of a fruity fragrance.
That was.
But again, I think so far my favourite is the Pear and Freesia one.
Was that the second one?
My one.
Yeah, your
that I chose my perfume. But to be honest, I'd be happy with any of these. Okay,
yeah.
So we have a bride society.
Yeah, she put our own logo on it. It was all a surprise. We didn't know what she was going to put on. She just asked for some of our details, and that was it.
So I think I'm assuming that this might be the one.
Oh, this might be the tobacco one.
Maybe.
Oh, it might be. I really like that one. So.
Yeah. And it's surprising me because neither of us like the smell of.
What? Someone who likes that? I don't even smokers like that smell. It does smell quite floral though.
Oh, okay. I haven't given it a good enough.
I don't think it was straight tobacco though, was it? Was it tobacco and something?
Oh. Was it like leather or something?
Could be.
I'd say again it's more of the masculine end, would you? Or are you thinking it's quite floral?
I feel like it's one that could swing either way.
Yes. Well, I think you could probably say that for
Well, yeah.
Okay, shall we
Right, do it.
Oh, Cuban tobacco and aged oak.
Aged oak. I've not been around sniffing many aged oaks lately, but...
So,
we're going to have to fight over that one.
We're useless at identifying...
Yeah, useless.
Fragrances.
No, I think arguably you won.
Yes, but probably because I had an advantage, slightly, that I know that smell.
And have a sense of smell right now.
But yeah, thank you so much to Steph.
Yes, thank you for gifting
us these. Yeah, some exciting news.
Yes. Like, who announced answers it. Okay, so in partnership with Steph, we are running a giveaway.
Yeah.
So obviously this is time sensitive depending when you're watching this, so do check the description box below because we will put when it closes. But it is going to be open from this video going live. So
Today.
go. Yes, right now.
Yeah.
Yes, over on our Instagram channel. So you can find that at bridesociety_UK, right?
That's right.
Good.
Yeah, and it'll be here somewhere.
Yes, also, yeah, in the description box below. So head on over to the post so to enter over there with all the details and terms and conditions will be on there. But she is giving away
a hair accessory, one of her really sparkly,
Yes.
pretty hair combs.
Yes.
I believe. Yeah.
Yes, her hair comb, yes. Worth £45.
Ooh.
Yes.
So definitely worth entering.
Yes, definitely. So there'll be pictures of that over there. So head on over, check it out. I think it's open until Wednesday, did I say? But those details will be over there. As I say, we'll put in the description box below when it closes. But so be quick, head on over, check it out, and yeah, go support Steph, the Secret Bridesmaid, and all her many, many talents. Basically, she does everything that you could possibly want.
Yeah, pretty much.
Basically, in summary.
Yeah.
But yes, thanks again. Please like the video, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you next time.